Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In today's topic, I'm going to teach you is about dashboard in Excel. First of all, what is dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but information management tool that is used to track data. You can download this sample data from my description. As you can see, this is the data. I've given you some product wise, north, south, east, and west. I've given you north, east, south. I would like to create a drop down list for this option. For that, for creating a drop down list, you can create it by using your data validation, or otherwise you can use your form. But for creating forms, in this example, I'll be creating forms actually for creating this drop down list. For that, you should have this option of yours called as tab called as developer. If this icon is not there or this tab is not there, developer, you can get it from here. Just click on file, click on options. Once you click on option, there's an option called as customize ribbon. So once you click on this option, customize ribbon, there should be a tick mark over here, developer. So at the moment it is there. So I'm just ticking mark on my developer and just say okay. So you get this option over here, developer. So now you can click on developer, click on this icon, insert, and this is called as forms. All these buttons you see here. The first one what I want to use over here is called as a combo box actually for my drop down list. So I will come here, called as combo box, and then just drag it how small big you want to make it. So I just make this much and place it. So where you want to place, you can place it. At the one I'm just placing it somewhere here. So now nothing will be there here because see, when I'm clicking here, this name should come here. For that you have to click on this button. You can just right click actually. So once you right click on that button, click on this option of yours called as format controls. You get two options over here, input range and cell range. Input range, click, select this north till west. So you'll get like this J2 to the J5. Cell link, click over here. I've taken as H6. Now if I select north, it will tell you 1. If you select south, it will show you 2 over here. If I click on east, it will show me 3. This is for west. So that's the reason why I'm selecting this option and say okay. So now if I click on the arrow sign, see north, say 1. So which option it is, which I'm selecting, it is coming over here. Okay. Once that is done, then the formula will have to come here. So I've selected 1 over here, that is north actually. So that's why north sales will come over here. For that, first of all, you just use this formula over here, equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, G7. Now what is G7? G7 is your product. Now what is your first product over Samsung? So Samsung should come over here. It should tell me that you have selected Samsung. So that's what I want to show over here. Comma. Select the full table with the heading like this. After that, give a comma. Which number? That is this H6 plus 1. And say 0. 0 says exact match, bracket plus. Now why did I write plus 1 over here? Because see, I don't only north. No? If I select south, it should tell me south. Say east. If I select east, west, it is west then. And then you lock it because I'll be dragging it for the other cells. So click over here and just pressing this button of yours called as F4 to lock absolute value. Same thing you do for this also, F4 and E13 also and H6 also. And then what you must do is this dollar is there, no? $G, $7 is written over here. So this dollar that is from your right hand side, that has to be deleted. And this H, this dollar is there, no? This also has to be deleted. Rest all will be remain same. So now when you press enter, because I've selected 1 over here, so it's saying north over here. No? See, first is north, no? So that's why it's showing north over here. If I drag it down here for the others, see, it has come. This is north region. This is north region ka Samsung ka sale is how much it is showing me. So if I change this instead of north, if I make it south, it is showing me south. If I click on east, it will show me east. If I select west, it will show me west. After that, you can make a graph also. Select this full table like this. Only your products. You can come here, insert, and can click on this icon charts. Otherwise, you can use a shortcut. Just select the table, that is this product and this details, and press this button of yours called as Alt F1 for the graph. See. So this is my graph is ready here. I'm just making the adjustment. See. This is Samsung ka Nokia. If you want to make the size a little bigger, click down below here and come over here, home option, and the size you can make it a little bigger. Here, like this. And if you want to show the values also, then click on the bar, this blue color bar, click on this plus sign, that is called as chart elements. Click on data labels, so it will show you the values. After that, you can click on these values also, make the size bigger, home, size you can make it bigger from here also. Then if you want to give some colors and everything, like design, click on the graph, click on chart design. Then over here you can take whichever design you want. I will go for this black background. So you can see that it looks much more better. After this also, if you would like to change the graph, you can click on the graph, change chart type, design on option is it, change chart type, click. If you want it as a pie graph, you can go take it as a pie graph, or if you want as a bar graph, I'll go for my bar graph only. Okay. See. So this is again, if you didn't like it, you can go change it again. Change again. I wanted column only. So column, I'll go with column graph only. So this is how my graph will look actually. So now if I change this from west, if I make it north, you can see that it is showing me north region. If I click on south, it will show me about south region. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.